Hello y'all, in today's video, we'll be showing y'all how to get the Sound Seeker cape in JBL land. So to get the cape you have to complete a couple of tasks. So join in the game, and when you join you will be falling down to the floor, so just wait till you go all the way down. You can collect some things while falling down, but it not necessary. Okay, once you fall to the ground, click skip tutorial. Now that you are in the game you will see the UGC, so go up to it. You will have to talk with Rhea, and she will give you some tasks to do. So the task is to collect her 5 fortune cards. I will show you exactly where they are. You can click on reveal cards to give you a hint on where they are. But don't worry, I will show you where they are. So pay close attention because they are pretty scattered around. So now follow where I go. I will speed this up a little. Here is the first card. Jump down here where I jumped. Here is the second card. Come up here. Here is the third card. Now teleport back to start world. Now come over to the store section. Follow me. Here is the fourth one. Teleport back to start world. Now teleport to soundbar. And walk straight ahead, and you will see the last one. Now teleport back to start world. And speak to Rhea. Now you have to go to the teleporter. House of Fortune teleporter. Once you're in, speak to Rhea again. And she will give you some more tasks. So now we have to find 3 of Rhea's assistants. Here is the first one. Here is the second one. Here is the last one. So now Rhea's assistants will give us some tasks to complete. We have to find their fortune cards as well. So let's start with Earth fortune cards. Let's reveal them. Now follow where I go. Up here is the first one. Keep track of where I go. Let's go find the next one. Remember guys, we are doing a giveaway at 100 subs, so make sure to subscribe. Here is the next one. Now we need one more. There are only 3 for Earth. Keep following. Kiri's is the last one for Earth. Now we have to go find the other ones. So let's go. Let's do the fire ones now. For the fire ones you have to buy some jump juice to be able to jump higher. So let's buy some. Let's look at the card first though. Now let's buy some jump juice. Follow where I go. Come up here. Kiri's the first one. Kiri's is the second one. LOL, I fell. Brew, I fell again. Kiri's the third one. Let's go buy some more jump juice, cause our time ran out. Let's go find the rest. Up here is the fourth one. Keep following. Here's the fifth one. Here's the last one. Now let's go find the last assistant cards. Let's reveal them. Okay, let's go find them. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. Here's the third one. Here's the fourth one. Keep following. Make sure to like the video. Here's the last one. Okay, now that we have found all the cards, let's go talk to Rhea again. So let's go to Rhea again. Now that we talk with her, she will give us one final task, which is to find 7 soundbites in the tent and around the map. So I will show you where they all are located. So let's go find them. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. Here's the third one in the middle. Here's the fourth one. Here's the fifth one. Here's the sixth one. And here is the last one. Now that we found them all, we have to go back and talk to Rhea. So let's go. We are almost able to claim it. Let's go back to Rhea. Okay, let's talk to Rhea. Okay, now we got the badge, meaning that we can finally claim the UGC Limited. So go to the teleporter. And go to the UGC and claim it. www. GG's in the chat. Anyways, that's all you have to do to get the UGC Limited. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see y'all in the next video.